Hi, RJ here from rjsplatform.com. Thanks for joining me today for this video marketing profit kit review. Now in this review, I'm going to tell you what video marketing profit kit is all about, how you can make money with it, and how this may be a product that you may want to pick up. Now there's a link down below which will take you to my bonus page depending on where you're watching this from, whether it's from my list or through YouTube. But come on over to my bonus page. I got a great bonus package together, and not only do I have some, but the vendors also threw in some extra bonus for you early action takers that decide to pick this up. Now what this is video marketing profit kit is a whole bunch of PLR products that you can go ahead and sell and make money on. I know you all like to know about the prices, so we're going to go ahead and jump right on down to it. So what is Video Marketing Profit Kit all about? It's a blueprint that delivers the following crucial information. So it shows you, it figures out winning topics for your videos, how to pick the right types of videos to create, how to save money on video creation, shows you how to turbocharge the persuasive power of your marketing videos, how to make money from your videos, how to promote those videos right away, and how to optimize your videos for greater success, and much, much more. So what's included in the package? On the front end, starting off at an early bird at $7, and it's going to go up to $9.95 for the front end. And what you get is you're going to get 10 different modules. You get PLR rights, private label rights, master reseller rights, and reseller rights on this product, which is awesome because you can turn around, package this thing up, sell it on some place like Fiverr, and start profiting right away. So you're going to get professionally written ebooks, 16,000 words. And I guarantee you, head on over to that site Fiverr like I was telling you about, and you'll see what they're charging for someone that wanted to get an ebook started for 16,000 words. You're actually going to pay a pretty penny to make that happen. You get all that here for anywhere from $7 to $9.95. You're going to get a follow-along checklist, and they show you exactly how to take care of all this stuff so you don't miss any steps. It's going to give you a resource sheet where you can go and find all these resources, a mind map that maps it all out to make sure that you're not missing any steps along the way. It's going to give you high-converting sales pages and download pages, promotional email swipes so you can just plug them into your autoresponder and start making money. Not only that, you're going to get lead magnets in this thing, 22,000 word lead magnets that you can go ahead and use those to give to your subscribers to show value and give them value. You're going to get a lead sucking squeeze page with a thank you page, high quality articles, and pro quality graphics package as well. And again, you get the PLR rights, the master resale rights, and the reseller rights for this product. $7. I think it's a pretty good item if that's something that you think you want to get into and start making money and figuring it out. Now also, for limited time bonuses for the early action takers, you're going to get these bonuses. You're going to get the clean exit squeeze page template, the pro featured box. You're going to get 10 additional headline and squeeze pages. For squeeze pages, 10 additional headlines that you can put on your squeeze pages. You get a guide to finding free images and graphics. And they're going to give you step-by-step video setup tutorials. Not only that, but they're also throwing in some other bonuses as well, such as this one right here, review video marketing secrets. You're going to get this as a vendor bonus. You're going to get bonus number 2, an explainer video marketing secrets from the vendor, and you get private resale rights on all this kind of stuff, private label rights, which is pretty awesome. Vendor bonus number 3, you're going to get tutorial video marketing secrets. And bonus number 4, animation video marketing secrets. So those are all the bonuses that the vendor's throwing in. I've also gone above and beyond and put together another some additional bonuses that I'm hoping that you'll be able to utilize to help you out as well. And what these bonuses are, it's going to bonus number 1 is going to show you how to create and launch new products every single month. So you take these PLR products that you're going to pick up through this vendor, through this product, Video Marketing Profit Kit, and then you can go ahead and start plugging them in. And I'm going to show you how to make and create these products to start launching on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and things along those lines right away every single month. Bonus number 2, although they've got some compelling headlines in here, this is some additional training on coming up with compelling headlines that you can use for your squeeze pages, the titles of your emails, when you go sending emails out to your subscribers and things along those lines. Bonus number 3, going to show you how to get 10,000 views on YouTube, and this is going to show you pretty much how to rank your videos and how to, what to do all in your video ads once you utilize those templates and that information inside Video Marketing Profit Kit, so that you can actually get eyeballs on your offers. Bonus number 4, I'm going to show you how to rank those videos using SEO and organic traffic, free traffic, and that's what this bonus is going to do for you. And bonus number 5, I'm going to give you 7-figure super affiliate Michael Chaney's traffic videos on how to drive additional traffic to your offers once you start tapping in and utilizing the campaigns within the Video Marketing Profit Kit. And then I'm also going to show you how to go viral with the viral video profits. So I've got a pretty good bonus package together for you between what the vendors got for you and what I've got for you. It's a pretty good one. Mine is valued at over $1,300 for my bonuses alone, and that doesn't include what the vendors are going to give you. And that's for a product that you're going to pick up from between $7 and $9.97 or $9.95, depending on when you pick it up. Now, there are some OTOs. OTO number 1, you're going to get 10 additional modules. You're going to get 10 tutorial videos on the same topic so that you can go ahead and niche down and build a niche out and get paid with it. Instant upsell pages, the special report. You get 7 autoresponder messages to subscribe to your so that you can get your subscribers and customers on board right away with some follow-up. You're going to get a JV Toolbox promotional page, social media swipe pack, a viral social media quotes. You're also going to get in-depth keyword research on how to figure out which keywords to target in order to get your subscribers and audience to buy from you. Related blogs, forums, and communities. And not only that, you're going to go ahead and get these JPEG files and PNG files, images as well. And as far as exclusive bonuses, if you pick up the upsell number 1, you're going to get MP3 audio files, you're going to get word-for-word transcripts, PowerPoint slides, and you're also going to get related PLR items to build list building with stories attached to them. So that's what you get in OTO number 1, and that's going to cost you $37. OTO number 2 is going to, there's also a downsell. I'm glad I put this into my notes here. You're also going to get a downsell offer. If you say no to downsell number 1 at $37, they'll offer you one offer of downsell for $27. The only thing is that you don't get these 4 additional bonuses. So for the extra $10, I think these bonuses could help you, but it's up to you to make that choice. If you say no to those, there's also an additional downsell number 2 where you can pick that up for $17 and get the first 5 modules that you see listed above. So it's kind of depending on, how serious you want to get with this product and what you want to do with it. But, I decided to put all these options on there because a lot of people won't tell you about these downsells because they want you to go ahead and buy the full price upsells. But all you have to do is through the sales page. If you say no to the original upsell, then they'll go ahead and give you a downsell option number 1. If you say no to that, it'll give you the downsell option number 2. Now there's additional OTO, which is the 4 PLR video courses for $37. So it says, and this is coming off the sales page here, it says that you can, as you can see, with this premium PLR package, you'll get everything you need to start making sales right away. And make just one sale and you've already profited. You've already paid for what you'd be paying for this product. And you get instant access to this brand new PLR product now while it's still discounted for the launch. So again, I'd pick this up early as soon as this thing launches if you are truly interested in it. And you're going to get all of my bonuses, which I just went through. You can go ahead and click on the link below. Take your own time. Read through what my bonuses are that I'm offering. Again, you can go ahead and take a look at what the vendor's offering as well. They've also thrown in these nice bonus package of another additional 4 bonuses. So I hope you get the gist of what this video marketing profit kit review is all about. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comments in the comment box. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel and go ahead and pick this up while the price is low. I hope you found value in this video for video marketing profit kit review, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks again.